Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. And today we've got a quick unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi Band 5. So this is a pretty inexpensive fitness tracker. It's going to run you around, I'd say around $40 in the United States. Here it is $70 in New Zealand currency, but I managed to get it on sale for $50. So taking a look around the box, you can see the print of the, you have the Xiaomi logo in the corner, or the Mi logo in the corner. You've got a print of the Mi Band 5, Mi Band 5 down there, and some extra stuff on the back about what it includes, color, compatibility, and things like that. So, let's get into the box, shall we? Okay, so, there it is. Alright, so the first thing we have here is the band itself, I think. Yep. So we'll have a look at this. And there is the band itself. So we'll get to that in a minute. Let's see what else is in the box. Okay, so you've got warranty information, instruction booklet, stuff like that. Here we've got your charging cable, so I believe this is a magnetic connector. And let's have a look. Yes, it's a pretty short cable actually, it's not too long, so if I can get it in focus there, you can see the kind of connector it is. It's got 2 pins on it, and it's got a bit of length to it, so put that over there. Put this over to the side and we'll have a look at the band itself. So it's got a silicone band on it and it feels relatively decent. You can swap this out with other colors if you want. So you can see the sensors and the charging connector on the back. You've got the loop here to put the band through, as well as your connector, so you can just put it down wherever you need to get the band to fit your hand. Alright, so how do we turn this thing on? Oh, already. So go through the quick setup process. The English, and we're going to pair first. Okay, so I'll do that off camera. So we'll have to go through a pairing process. However, that shouldn't take too long. But I will do that off camera, considering this is just an unboxing video. So far, it seems relatively decent, actually. I'm quite happy with it. So, that's going to be it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy it, remember to hit that thumbs up button or subscribe to the channel. If you just give me a second. There we go. Okay, so that'll be it for today. Of course, I'll throw the links in the description if you guys want to purchase any of this stuff. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Catch you guys later. Peace out.